So you've built your website and connected with your new online international customers. Congratulations! But how exactly are you going to get paid? There are a number of payment methods to consider as part of your e-commerce export plan. If your company has a website, you can add a payment gateway that is provided by a third party and blends seamlessly with the software of your site. The payment gateway provider accepts credit and debit cards, converts foreign currencies into US dollars, and sends the payment to you. You pay a fee for each transaction, so shop around for the best deal. Another option is an e-wallet like PayPal or Alipay, which can also collect, convert, and deliver payment to you. But they don't require buyers to have a credit card. This may be helpful in selling to many parts of the world where credit cards aren't as common or preferred as they are in the US. Also, be sure that your pricing info is comprehensive and easy to understand. You don't want buyers to abandon their shopping carts or return goods at your expense because they're confused or shocked after the purchase when asked to pay duties and taxes they didn't know they owed. Much more information about online payment methods is available from the e-commerce experts at the U.S. Commercial Service. Visit them at the e-commerce resources page at trade.gov/e-commerce.